Okay guys, this is a quick update with Bitcoin. I'm going to give you key support and resistance levels to pay attention to. I can tell you right off the bat, there's only two levels you need to pay attention to right now, and that is 40K. I'll show you this on multiple charts why this is so important, and 42K. I can tell you right off the bat, if we break 40K guys, I think it is game over. We're going way the hell down. Once we break below 40K, I do not think we'll see 40K again for a very, very long time. And guys, if we get above 42K, I will become a moon channel, a complete bulltard. Every pattern, every video will be bullish, talking about moon, moon, moon. But you know me, you know I'm not going to do that. So that's how confident I am we're not getting above 42K. This is a brick wall. So again, I'll cover this and show you why this is the case on multiple charts. I am taking a break from doing videos. I'm going to work on the game for a bit, but I will keep you guys updated in Twitter and in Discord. This was a tweet I made 15 hours ago talking about this pattern. I said if we break below this orange support level, we have some downside. We broke it. We dropped. We found perfect support here on the C1 BG chart. We'll cover this as well. We pushed up from 40,330. We got caught in this pattern. I was covering different things about why I thought it was more likely we break to the downside, and up here you can see the tweet I made. So if I had a gun to my head, someone said tell me up or down right now. With strong resistance just above around 42K, going to cover that. Dow down 86 points, DXY pushing up, cover that as well. I put right here, I would go short and said good luck. And we did break down from it, and we found perfect support at 40,000. And guys, 40,000 is a very key support level it needs to hold. Again, if it breaks, grab your parachutes. So as you can see, I'll come back and give you key support and resistance levels, guys. But 42K on this chart, this is a very key resistance level. We get above that, well, I'm a moon channel. We break 40K, guys, we're coming way the hell down. This is the H1 chart. Right here, this is the C1 BG chart. You can see this is the pattern we broke down from. We pushed back up as resistance. It's currently resistance now at 40,400. Right here, this is the C1 BG chart. Look at this line right here. This will be an export level, happens to be right at 40K. This is the C1 chart. This is where we found perfect support at 40,000 and pushed up. Again, if that breaks, guys, we're coming way the hell down. But you can also see here on the H1 chart, 42,357. Right here on the C1 BG chart, your next major resistance above that point just happens to be around 42,273. Right here on the C1 chart is 42,300. I'd like to show you, so this is the G1 chart. This is going to, again, this is a very key support level. You can see we got a perfect bounce there. That trend line on the G1 chart is the same trend line right here on the C1 chart. If I delete this and paste it in, you can see it's right there. So that is a very key support. Once that breaks, guys, it's game over, coming way down. But we have a lot of resistance above. And again, this ring right here is where I've caught a lot of tops. This is where I told people to short at 44K, and recently told people to short at 42,500. So you have this resistance level here going up around to 42K, plus you have this ring, which has been a lot of resistance. So again, 42K is a barrier. Again, I do not see us getting above that point. And once we break below 40K, I think we're coming way down. And as I mentioned in previous videos, I told you to buy here at 34,000. And, you know, you could be in from that point. But at any time you come down and break this ring, this orange ring right here, watch previous videos, that's when the capitulation begins. So if we drop below 37,261, if it's out here, it's 38,000. But once we break this ring, guys, this is when the capitulation begins. And this is where we're coming down to those lower targets I gave you. You see the DXY is pushing up. We are finding resistance here. So if the DXY starts coming back down, our support level is 97. If you start seeing the DXY come down, maybe be long on Bitcoin, but up to 42,000, again, I think that will be the top. If we break above 98.53, remember DXY up, that is bearish for Bitcoin. So follow the DXY, follow the traditional markets and indices. So let me give you support resistance levels to pay attention to. Well, you know 40K is a very important support level. If that breaks, expect much more downside. Your current resistance right now on the H1 chart is right here, 40,385. Your resistance above, very strong resistance, is 40,839. If we do break, again, you will have support levels on the way down, but once we break below 40K, I do not expect us to get back above it. Your next support level is 39,733, and then you will have very strong support down here at 39,273. And as I mentioned before, guys, if we have a major drop, and this plays along with that orange ring, your major point, if you want to chance a long, it's going to be around 36,520. I'll go on a heavy long here, but only up to a certain point. You know, potentially take my profit up here at around 38,700 before more downside. So those are your key support and resistance levels on the H1 chart. This is the C1 BG chart. This was charted for Bitget. Remember, if you want to use my Big affiliate link that's pinned in the first comment description. And if you want to access all of these charts, you can on my website that's pinned in the first comment description as well. But again, 40K is a very important support level. You can see currently our resistance is 40,400, and your next major resistance above is 41,262. If 40,000 breaks, your next support level right here is 39,600. And if that breaks, your next support level below is around 38,655. This is the C1 chart. So again, 40K, if that breaks, your next support level to catch a bounce. You can see right here was support. So this, and you have a trend line here as well. This is double support. So you could catch a nice bounce here around 39,000. But ultimately, guys, I do think we're headed much lower. Your next support level below is 37,839. And then you will find support down here around 36,518. But again, 42K, guys, I do not see us getting above that point. And once you break below 40K, I do not see us getting above 40K again for a very long time. This is the G1 chart again. If you load up the G1 chart and M1 chart for macro targets. But again, DXY is pushing up. That will be bearish. For Bitcoin, if you start seeing DXY come down, that would be bullish. But again, if we get to 42K, I think that'd be the perfect short. If you do want to access your charts, guys, the website is opticalcrypto.com. That link will be pinned in the first comment description. If you use my Get affiliate link, that will be pinned in the first comment description as well. That's it, guys. Trade safe, trade smart. I'm out.